Hi folks, welcome into Truck King. In what seems to be a trend, Ram is bringing back another nameplate from the dead. In this case, it's the TRX, although now this is the SRT TRX and it has more horsepower than it did before. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Well, this is the heart of the beast. It is still a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 like it was before, but this is not the exact same engine. Ram has actually added some new parts here, and they've got those power numbers up. 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. So yes, this thing will now make the jump from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. That's some crazy power, and it is crazy quick. Now, another thing I said off the top, I'll just reiterate, they've also brought back the SRT brand. SRT had gone away, well now SRT is back, and this is an SRT product. So the technical name is now the Ram 1500 SRT TRX. Now again, the new power numbers, that's the big announcement here. The way the truck looks is basically the exact same, although we do have a new graphics package on this truck too, just to liven it up a bit. And there's a super cool new little T-Rex badge on the truck too, which I like as well. So again, powertrain, big change. When it comes to the off-road stuff here, it's all gonna be the TRX stuff you are familiar with. 35-inch tires, a unique set of suspension back there from Bilstein, and this is active suspension, so the damping can change on the fly. Really nicely integrated rock rail up there, and you can use it as a step too, so I like to see that. Now this graphic, yes, new for TRX. It's not new for Ram. This used to be on the Power Wagon. We always joked it was the Dragon's Puke graphic. Well, now you got Dragon's Puke here on your TRX. I do think it does look pretty cool. Officially, the truck you're looking at here is called the SRT TRX Bloodshot Night Edition, and it has been brought out to commemorate the return of the TRX. It gets that exterior upper finished in diamond black crystal pearl coat with a custom painted flame red center stripe. You're also getting that unique body side splash graphic, and then there is red outline interior TRX badging, a glass encased TRX center console badge, carbon fiber with red anodized thread integrated into the weave pattern, which is really beautiful when you can see the red in that carbon fiber, and then also a set of standard beadlock capable wheels finished in satin black with satin titanium beadlock rings. Out back here, the first thing I noticed, these huge exposed tow hooks. That's nice to have, one on both sides. And then look at that dual exhaust. I love the way it's kind of carved right into the bumper here. And yes, of course, we did get the RHO. That comes with the inline 6 turbocharged engine. And that truck isn't going away. So the RHO will still be available. But we all know one of the things about the RHO was that i6 sounds pretty good, but it doesn't sound like this V8 does. So having this dual exhaust and getting this sound back, I think was important for Ram, and I mean, just take a listen. So I mentioned RHO is not going away. That's still going to be available in the lineup, and that's going to be the more affordable way to get into this package. If you do want to go for one of these new TRXs, you're going to be paying just a hair under $100,000 US. Canadian pricing has not been announced yet, but I got to assume it's going to be somewhere around 140 grand to compete with that Ford Raptor R in Canada. And then for availability timing, we should see these things in dealerships in the summer of 2026. And if you want these specific numbers, Ram says that the approach angle on this TRX is 31 degrees, departure angle is 25.2 degrees, while the breakover angle with the skid plate comes in at 16.8 degrees. Overall ground clearance here is listed at 11.8 inches, while the wheelbase on this truck comes in at 145.1 inches. Looking inside, no major changes to the TRX in here, but it didn't really need changes inside because this is Ram's, fully updated interior, and it's quite nice. Big, soft leather seats, TRX stitching there, the nice contrast red. I like all of that. Now TRX specific stuff, we do have launch control right here still. You do have a rear locker right there, and then you can also run through the drive modes. So yeah, there is still all of that fun performance stuff right over here. Yeah, the interior is quite nice. I like to see sort of the shotgun style stifter down here too. No knob or anything. And a nice set of paddle shifters too, which is pretty cool for the TRX as well. So yeah, plenty of cool stuff going on in the interior, but this isn't really where the truck needed to be updated. It was all about that powertrain. Hi everybody, I've got to cut into this video and tell you about these Giddy Ups. This is a product we really believe in here at Truck King, and it's simple. Hang it up in your truck. It fits every kind of truck, and it's going to help you climb up and in. Great for your kids, maybe your parents, or anyone who just needs a little bit of help climbing up into their truck. We all know trucks are getting taller. So if you're interested, head into the description and hit the link there. Head over to the Truck King store and get yourself a set of Giddy Ups today. Well, Dad, TRX is back. I don't think this was a really well-kept secret. Once Ram brought the Hemi back, we kind of assumed TRX has got to come back. I'm excited. I think what I'm most happy about is it does have more power. They didn't just bring us back the exact same truck. They said, no, let's go back to the drawing board. Yep. 777 horsepower. Mm-hmm. It's cool, man. What do you think?
I think it's back to the future where Stellantis is concerned.
Yeah.
But you know what? No, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because so many people in the truck business really pooched it. They were like, no, electric, it's all going to be electric. And they went whole hog in that direction, totally let everything else crap out. Mm-hmm. And then all of a sudden when the sales tanked, they went, oh, maybe we were premature.
For sure.
And I'm going to say, yes, you were. So Here we are, we're back.
Yeah, and that's it. I think, especially at Ram, they had a lot of things in the market that people liked that they took away from us. So now they're just correcting all of those wrongs. So it still feels like right now, especially moving into 2026, they're just kind of right the ship, and then moving forward, hopefully we'll get some new exciting things rather than just keep bringing back the old stuff. But still, there's a very clear direction at the brand. I think it's an exciting time for Ram, and just like that new Power Wagon, I can't wait to get into a TRX and go bashing through the woods, take it up the hydro line.
Absolutely, and I just have to give a quick shout out to Tim Kuniskis, who's head of Ram, who at one point was so pissed off with the direction this company was going in that he retired, and then 6 months later,
he came back too.
He came back after the top guy went bye-bye.
Right.
And that's a truck guy. He's a true truck guy.
That's
just
true.
Listen to him talk and you're like, yeah, this is the guy I want running Ram.
Yeah, and we got a lot more Ram news that's coming in 2026. So yeah, come back here to the channel. We're gonna cover it all. But for now, we need to hear your thoughts. So drop into the comments. Let us know what you think about this TRX coming back, how the looks, the new graphics, everything. We wanna hear your thoughts. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit join, become a member of Truck King, and then come right back here to the channel, see what we're testing next. See ya.
Adios.
Yeah.